It's baked it.
That's better than yours.
I got you that.
Okay, that don't mean yours look better than mine.
Mine is cuter, yours is just more sarcastic.
But mine's look better. It's smooth and it's rugged.
It's not, there's
That mean, and I got pockets too. Welcome to Toast to Us. Brandon back, Kayla back, and we are gonna make some Ichiban sticky buns.
Sticky bun cake.
Ichiban sticky buns.
It's sticky bun cake.
Okay, whatever.
So it's out of the Tasty Dessert book.
Ichiban
Sticky bun cake. And in the end, it's gonna look like
fat.
this.
Fat. Alright, come on.
This is no time to be healthy.
Alright, come on. I'm always healthy, but you know what I'm saying? You know me, but
You didn't tell them why you didn't have that apron.
why do I have this again?
Because you always say
Your
that.
opinion wasn't in the recipe. I have this because every time I cook something and Bobo here is around, she's leaning over my shoulder.
I don't be doing that.
What you put in there?
I'm just asking
Or
a question.
after I cook, she's always asked, how did you season it? What did you do?
Well, because I'd like to know.
know.
I only like to know because if I like the way it's seasoned and I want to cook it again, then I can put the same seasoning.
All you gotta know is that I made it for you and you gotta eat it. 320.
Cut it inch wide.
Oh crap, wait a minute. I'm not paying attention. Boom, black eye.
Let's preheat them to 325.
Preheat.
Oh.
Said preheat.
Preheat. Coat an 8-inch wide, 3-inch tall round cake pan with cooking spray. Oh. Butter cooking spray. Dust the pan with flour.
You have that? Yeah, flour. Big head.
So sift. Well, it's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Combine the cream cheese, confectioner sugar, milk, and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla in a large bowl. Or just use your main strength for that.
Detriment to you.
It's not a detriment. It's
Alright. Milk. Whatever.
you think you'll change the recipe or what?
Okay.
1.
Yeah, 1 teaspoon. Boom. Black it out. I see it.
We don't have a handheld mixer, which might be a problem, but it's what it is. Oh.
Oh my god. Be careful.
Oh, you know what you
Blah,
need
blah,
to do?
blah.
Actually-
Look at this guy.
That's what you can do.
No care in the world. No job. Ain't got to worry about no money, no bank account, no credit report. Look at him. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh.
Caramel.
Yeah, turd sauce. And then
Well, you can eat the gaga sauce later. So
it's gonna make us poop.
So you rolled it. I mean, maybe eventually you'll drip. I mean, if anything, it'll.
I think we're supposed to put the.
Is there remaining over the top?
Hold on. You just messing.
Should I put it on the bottom right?
No. This is the finished product, or half of the finished product. But it was alright. It was alright. Nothing special, but yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in. We're about to post another video shortly. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment, all that good stuff, share. And I'll see y'all in the next video.